Okay, so we are going to start our 2-point Piet Mondrian units. And in order to do this, you're going to need your paper, and you're going to need a ruler that has, you can use inches. I like to use the centimeters. I feel it's a little bit easier because we're going to need to create some proportion in our measurements. So I'm going to begin somewhere towards the center of my paper. And I'm going to create a line that is vertical, and I think I'm going to go 8 centimeters here. So I'm going from the beginning of the measurement for the centimeters all the way down to the number 8. And then I'm going to slide it over, and I'm going to make a little mark, just a horizontal line, to indicate each of my centimeter measurements. Okay, and then I'm going to slide this over, and I'm going to do the same on the very edge of the paper, not necessarily make the line, but create the measurements. So I am doing all of my marks for 8 centimeters over here. You'll notice that sits up a little bit higher. That part really doesn't matter. And then I'm going to come over here and do it on the edge too. I do want them to be close to about the same as far as spacing goes, but they don't need to be perfect. But we do need to get those 8 centimeter marks. So then in between, it doesn't have to be a halfway, but about halfway, I'm going to create a line this time from the beginning of the measurement all the way down to 16 centimeters. I'm going to slide it over, and this time I'm going to do every other one, so all of the even numbers. And I chose 8 and 16 because 8 times 2 is 16, so we're going to double it up. And then I'm going to again do the same thing on this side. Okay, slide it over, every other one, so 2, 4, 6, 8, so forth and so on. So I'm going to let you go ahead and figure out your spacing. You can move them a little closer together, a little farther away. They can be up a little bit, down. That part doesn't matter as long as you have the 8 centimeters or whatever your measurements are going to be, and then you're going to double that on the 2 vertical lines in the middle. So 3 of the small single and 2 of the double. Go ahead and take care of that now, and we'll come back to continue.